Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the ultimate showdown between three action camera heavyweights, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2, the GoPro Hero 13 Black, and the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Whether you're into epic vlogs, adventure sports, or just want the best shots possible, these cameras promise to be the best of the best. But which one's right for you? Let's find out! Number 1, price and availability. First things first, the price. For anyone on a budget, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is the most affordable at $349. The GoPro Hero 13 Black and Insta360 Ace Pro 2 both start at $399. Keep in mind, though, accessories can add up quickly, especially with the GoPro. So, if price is your deciding factor, DJI wins this round. Price winner, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Number 2, design and display. Next up, let's talk displays. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 stands out with its 2.5-inch flip-up rear touchscreen, perfect for low-angle shots or when you're vlogging solo. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, however, boasts dual OLED touchscreens that are crystal clear and always ready, while the GoPro Hero 13 Black offers dual LCDs, but only the back screen is touch-sensitive. For screen versatility, Insta360 wins here, but if you want simplicity, DJI's dual OLED screens are a strong contender. Display winner, Insta360 Ace Pro 2. Number 3, durability and accessories. Now, what about durability and accessories? GoPro has the widest range of accessories and lenses, perfect for anyone wanting extra flexibility. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro takes the lead in waterproofing, with a rating up to 66 feet, making it the ideal choice for water sports. So if you're into underwater adventures, DJI takes the win. But for versatile accessory options, GoPro is your go-to. Durability winner, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Number 4, image quality and sensors. Let's move to image quality. Both Insta360 and DJI use a 1x1.3-inch sensor, giving amazing detail, especially in low light, and can shoot up to 50-megapixel and 40-megapixel photos, respectively. The GoPro Hero 13 Black sensor is slightly smaller, but shines with 5.3K video resolution. In good light, the cameras are closely matched, but for low-light performance, Insta360 and DJI are neck and neck. Image quality winner tie. Number 5, battery life. For battery life, the DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro blows the others out of the water with up to 4 hours of 1080p recording. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and GoPro Hero 13 Black still perform well, but if you're going for longevity, DJI wins again. Battery life winner, DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Number 6, special modes. Lastly, let's talk special modes. Insta360's 8K recording is impressive on paper but has limitations. GoPro Hero 13 Black offers the highest slow-motion settings with 240 FPS in 2.7K resolution, but it requires some patience due to processing times. All three have night and HDR modes, but if you're after super slow motion, GoPro has the edge here. Special modes winner, GoPro Hero 13 Black. So what's the verdict? The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro excels in price, durability, and battery life, making it the top choice for those who need reliability and budget-friendly options. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 is your go-to for flexibility with its unique flip-up screen. And the GoPro Hero 13 Black remains unbeatable with its versatile accessory range and high-speed features. No matter which camera you pick, you're getting cutting-edge tech that's going to capture your adventures beautifully. Which one are you leaning towards? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech comparisons. Best overall based on your needs.